how to make Cash app stop refunding. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make Cash app stop refunding. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Cash app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account, then you'll be redirected to this page. Now, at the bottom right corner, you'll see Activity tab. Just go ahead, tap on it. Since I am new on Cash app, I have no activity log. Here you'll see all of your recent activity and find the refund requested payment and tap on it. Accordingly, tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Contact Cash App Support and type Cancel Refund Request in chat box. Now what you want to do is wait for the reply from Cash App Support. So that's how you can make Cash App to stop refunding. That's all for this video.